Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and connecting the dual Ps4. Make sure it's charged above 50% and plugged into the Ps4 via USB so it won't sleep. Once done, open Settings, go to Devices, then Audio Devices to confirm output is set to controller speaker and volume is not muted. Check the headset jack and speaker grill visually. A bit of lint or a loose connector often causes low volume. Take a moment now to note any physical damage before proceeding. You'll perform internal resets and calibrations next. First, press the reset button on the controller's back for about 5 seconds to clear internal states. This often restores proper speaker behavior. Then make sure the Ps4 system software is up to date, because firmware mismatches can affect audio routing. After updates, calibrate audio. Set chat audio and all audio sliders in settings, then test with a game or music app. If volume remains low, attempt a second reset and retest to isolate firmware. You finish by deciding between repair or replacement. If you're comfortable, open the shell with a 12mm Phillips and spudger on an anti-static mat. Remove the PCB and check speaker solder joints. Reflow or replace the tiny speaker if dry joints or damage appear. Once reassembled, retest audio. If this is too risky or the speaker is fine but volume is low, try a known good controller to rule out the console. Troubleshooting tip: if sound is intermittent, test different cables and USB ports before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.